how can you help your child get the most out of teletherapy? So before session, there's a few things you can do to help your child be successful. Let them know what you expect of them when they're in therapy. Is it that they're sitting on the chair the entire time, that they stay in their room? So think through what you expect of your child and make it clear for them. It's also very important to help your child transition. It's hard if they're playing outside and they have no warning and suddenly, boom, they have to be sitting down quietly, ready to engage in treatment. That's hard for anyone. Another thing you can do is help them troubleshoot Wi-Fi, any connection issues that they may have, so that when they start therapy, they're ready. And then finally, also talk about confidentiality and privacy. It's important for the child to have a space that is private and away from everyone else. So maybe you can put a sign on the door that says, therapy in progress, or you can give a cue to other family members so they know to be quiet and not interrupt. How are you going to explain why they're in therapy? So we want to use it in an empowering way. Maria is working on developing her brain and her skills, so this is her time. We want to give her some quiet and alone time. So during session, as I mentioned, it's really important to try to maintain that privacy, and then also trying to keep any distractions down and minimizing those. So after session, it's important to not ask them right away, how did it go? What did you do? What did you learn? Right? It puts a lot of pressure on them and they're gonna shut down usually. Maybe they need some calming activity or just to have some quiet time by themselves. It's also important to let the therapist know if you notice that something's not working right, or if your child mentions that something's not going well, let them know. We want to hear that. And then finally, celebrate and praise your child for attending therapy and working on themselves.